In this video, we are going to see about operations on rows and columns of data frame objects. So the following operations we are going to see: assigning and or modifying data, adding row or columns, dropping rows or columns. Dropping means deleting the rows or columns, renaming columns and rows, iterating rows and iterating columns. So change or modify the value in the data frame means we use the formula data frame object dot column name square bracket row label names equal to value. Say here that create a data frame 5 rows with 4 columns, and I am going to change the value of Rani row and IP column is 100. So first value is Rani IP value is 80. Now it see that it is changed into 100. And you want to change or a new column in that existing data frame object. We use the formula data frame object square bracket column name equal to value. The column name is a present means is existing in the data frame means it will change the value. Suppose it's not existing means it or the new column to the data frame objects. So see here that data frame object square bracket IP equal to 100. So the 100 value set to that IP columns. So all the values of IP column change into 100. And then another next example I have given TF of Hindi equal to 100. So Hindi column is not not present in that existing data frame object. So created that new column Hindi with the values 100. So you want to give a different value for adding a column means use the formula data frame object square bracket column name equal to values are separated by comma and enclosed by square bracket. List of values you should give. So here data frame is given and df of cs. So cs column values, the new values was 189, 99, 88, 99. So it changed the old value. You see then the output screen it is changed into new values as per given. And using this formula also at LOC also we can add a value for the columns data frame object at colon comma column name equal to values, or we can use LOC colon column names close to square bracket equal to list of values you can use. So see here data from printed and English column I change the values stuff values like using at AT functions, and using LOC also I change that max column values. So the new values was given in the existing column English max. Then next using at we are giving the value for Hindi column. Note here Hindi and Tamil is not exist in that data frame object, so the Hindi and Tamil will be added with a new set of values. As to how to add row or change the row value using the function data frame object at row name comma colon, or using LOC we can change. The row name is present means the value will be changed. Suppose the row name doesn't present in the data frame object, it will be added. So here the 3 rows Rani, Ajay, Joe, the data frame object DF. Next we are going to change the value for Ronnie and Joe row with new values. So it is changed. The existing values are changed by using the statement df dot attack Ronnie. Likewise, Joe row also changed using def of LOC. And as to say here, I included Karthik and Nancy rows. These two rows do not exist in that data frame object, so it will be added, newly added. Karthik and Nancy row is added. While adding new row, automatically data will be changed into float. And to drop or delete a column, we can use the statement tell or pop. Tell data frame object square bracket column name or data frame object dot pop parenthesis inside you should mention the column name. Say here 3 rows with 4 column data frame, and I'm going to delete the math column using del statement, and next I'm using the pop function and delete the English column. So now see the result, 2 columns. And you want to delete more than 1 columns at a time means you should use the drop data frame object or drop square bracket inside. We have to give that column name separate comma, and axis we have to mention equal to 1. It indicates the column axis. So after drop of IP axis equal to 1, so the IP column is removed. So while you are using drop, we should not directly give in the print statement. We should assign into one object, then only we should use the print statement. Next, I have given that df equal to df dot wrap up IP comma English. So 2 columns I am going to delete and mention that axis equal to 1. It indicates the columns. So 2 columns. So to delete the row from data frame object, we use the df dot wrap up that row label name. So df equal to df dot wrap up Joe. So Joe row is deleted. To delete the multiple row means we can use a 2 formula. First, df dot wrap up inside the square bracket, you have to mention the index label 1, 2, 3 separate by comma, or that is row label name you should give. Otherwise, index value you can use. Df dot wrap of df dot index of double square bracket. We have to mention the index number, integer number we have to mention. So df equal to df dot wrap of Rani Joe. So Rani and Joe row will be deleted. And second formula, using second formula, I'm going to delete that 2 rows. So df dot wrap of df dot index of 0 comma 1 enclosed by double square bracket as per syntax. So 0th row and first row Rani and Ajay is deleted from the data frame. And renaming the column, we can change the label of column using the functions rename. Data frame object dot rename of, we have to mention columns equal in the dictionary format, old name colon new name. So that data frame object columns or CS IP English max. So using rename functions, I'm going to change CS into social and IP into science title. You see this, CS IP change into social and science title. Likewise, so we can change the row label also using the rename function. Df dot rename of index equal to the here index values also we have to given in the dictionary format, old name colon new name. So index labels are 1, 2, 3 in uppercase letter. I'm going to change it capital 1 to small 1 and capital 2 change into number 2 integer 2. And separately we have seen that renaming their column label and row label. In a same also in a single statement also we can use it. This in this formula. Depth at rename equal to index equal to old name equal to new name, comma columns equal to old name column new name, like that you can give. So in this example, I renamed columns capital A into small a and index capital 1 to small 1. And next, iterating over here data frame. There are two methods used for iterating iter rows and iter items. So iter rows methods we can uh, retrieve the data horizontal wise, that is row wise we can get the data from that data frame object. So the iter rows return the values in the form of row index and series values. So general form for iter rows is df dot iter rows. Likewise, column wise we want to fetch the data, means we can use this iter item functions. It also return that two values, column index and column series values. So general form for that data frame object and dot iter example iter rows. So data frame is created 4 columns and 3 rows. And see here in the for loop, first row comma row series in df dot iteros. So iteros functions return the row index and series values. So the row index will be assigned to the variable row, and row series receive that particular which row label is first assigned to row variable. That row values will be assigned to that row series. Then it will print row index and row series. So first row is Rani row index. It will be fetched and the corresponding value shows 82, 80, 75, 88 as printed. Likewise, next Ajay row is fetched and Joe row is fetched, and the corresponding values is assigned to the row series and printed. Iter items. So to access that column wise element, we can use the iter items. So see here, same data frame here to 4 rows, 4 columns, 3 rows, and here iter items return the function return that column index and column label and column values. It will be assigned to the call series variable. So call display the column index, and the first column index is column index means column title. First column title is CS, and the corresponding column series values for 82, 45, 78 is printed. Likewise, next column will be fetched in that loop. IP, their corresponding value 80, 78, 90 is displayed. Likewise, other two columns also one by one fetched and then displayed. Thank you.